You can see that spread rate. Look at that. It's just look at anybody doing it, doctor.